In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Hostinger account 2026. Sign up, register for Hostinger, and start your website. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a brand new Hostinger account ready to use, so you can start building your site with confidence. Let's begin right from the homepage. Open your browser and go to the official Hostinger website. If you see a regional version, that's fine. It will still guide you through the same process. Make sure you're on the real Hostinger site and not a lookalike. The address bar should show the correct domain and a secure connection. On the top right corner of the homepage, look for the My Account icon. It typically looks like a small profile avatar. Click that to open the account menu. From here, you'll land on a page that shows sign-in options. Since we're creating a new account, find and click the Sign Up button. This takes you to the registration form where you'll add your basic details. First, enter your email address. Use an email you can access right now and plan to keep using, since Hostinger may send important notifications and confirmations there. Double check for typos. Small mistakes in an email address can prevent you from receiving verification messages later. Next, create your password. Choose a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. A good rule of thumb is at least 12 characters, mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a trusted password manager to generate and store it securely so you never have to write it down. You may see another field asking you to enter your email again. If that appears, simply type the same email address exactly as before. This confirmation step helps avoid errors. If you copy and paste, make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. When everything looks correct, click the Register button. Hostinger will create your account and may guide you into the H-Panel dashboard. If you're prompted to accept terms or confirm your email, just follow the on-screen steps. Keep the tab open, check your inbox for a confirmation message from Hostinger, and look in the spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. That's it. You've successfully created your Hostinger account. From here, you're ready to continue setting up your website inside Hostinger's tools. Take a moment to review your account details, keep your password safe, and you'll be all set for the next steps in bringing your site online.